What's up, everybody? So like everyone else on Earth, I use Amazon.com to buy stuff, and thanks to their advanced algorithms and spying through my phone and whatnot, they constantly suggest these crazy car accessories to me. Amazon surely knows what I like before I know I'm gonna like it, right? So come with me as we explore the world of Amazon Weird Car Accessories. All right, we have an interesting assortment here. Let's rip into this box and check everything out. All right, I'm gonna kick each one of these off by reading the title on the Amazon.com product page. Here we go. This is the Wabrikasi USB car humidifier with Bluetooth FM transmitter, hands-free calling, enjoy music, 7 colors LED, light, 300 ml ultrasonic cool mist humidifier, diffuser for car, baby, desk, bedroom, travel, office. That's a mouthful. All right, let's open this thing up. It looks like a future coffee mug. It's got a USB port, flash card port, DC in, auxiliary. Maybe it lights up. Look at this, we've got some symbols on the top. I must say, when I ordered this, I did not realize it was a hands-free calling thing. I was just getting it to try out its ultrasonic humidifier and aromatherapy features. So that's kind of a bonus, I guess. Okay, now I realize I can't read you this entire manual, but I sure would like to. Let me just give you a little taste of it. This product is a special vehicle-mounted humidifier for vehicle, made of high-performance professional module and built-in non-destructive high-quality auto decoder chip. Okay, I can't do anymore. Let's just plug it in. All right, let's put some water in this thing. And it says you have to fully wet this little vape thing. I'll stick that in there. All right, I've got the vape thing in there. Okay, this sort of locks into there. All right, let's go put this in the car. All right, here we are in my family minivan. Let's plop that thing there. Step 1, plug it in. So I'm most interested in the humidifier part, so let's try that out first. Okay, you see there's some flashing lights going on there. I guess that's for Bluetooth. It really wants me to use that Bluetooth feature. All right, I'm gonna turn on the humidifier part. All right, folks, we have no mist yet, but we do have this horrible high-pitched screeching sound coming out of it. All right, still nothing. Let me try shaking it. Maybe I should turn it upside down. Oh! Oh, look at that! Oh! Hey, that works pretty good! Okay, right side up. Dang, look at it go! Oh. 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 Look at that, that's working pretty good! Huh. Oh, now we're making some, every time I get excited by it, it shuts off. Okay, so I think I know what's going on here. You really have to soak that spongy vape thing well in advance. You need to let that sit in water for like probably 20 minutes or so. Instructions didn't necessarily say that, but I think that's what you need to do, and this thing will work great. Oh, dude. Yeah, get some of that. All right, folks, I gotta tell you, I'm pretty impressed. It's really pumping out the humidification here. I mean, it's kind of a shame I have to turn it sort of upside down or sideways, but I have a feeling I can fix that. I think I can take care of that. This is a must-have. You gotta have this for your car. No car can be on the road without one of these. I'm telling you right now. Well, it gives me an idea. Okay, don't do that. All right, I gotta say, I think I'm gonna have to give this one a thumbs up. If you're looking for some massive vape clouds in your car, just coming at you 24/7, full blast like this is your device. Okay, we've jumped over to my truck. This doesn't have any way to play music from your phone, so it's a good way to test out the FM transmitter feature of this thing. Alright, let's take a quick glance at these instructions. Let's see, namely there's no frequency. Never mind, let's just try it out. Alright, I'm plugging up the power. Let's turn on the truck. Okay, this says tuned to 94.0, but on my truck radio I can't actually get to that station. I can get to 94.1 and 93.9, but that's it. So, I don't know, I might have to play with that a little bit. But let me connect this thing to my phone.
The Bluetooth device connection is successful.
Alrighty then. Alright folks, I'm happy to report I read the manual and fixed the tuning issue. We're at 87.7 now, so let's test out some music. Look at that, we got the LED light going. Oh, let's do this. Oh! We're having a party in here. This is a party. I'm having a party. All right, everything works. I like it. Okay, next up we have one that my daughter helped me pick out. Let me just go ahead and open these. There we go. All right, look at this. Can you see that? Oh. You know, honestly, I don't think about my valve stem caps too much. They're just little black screw-on caps. They do the job. They keep the dust and dirt out of the little valve stem. But when these popped up and my daughter pointed them out, I was like, you know what? Yeah, sometimes you gotta spoil yourself with some blinged out diamond valve stem caps. Okay, so the Amazon listing on this one says, Webfair valve stem caps, 4-pack handmade crystal rhinestone universal car tire valve caps, chrome, attractive dust-proof bling car accessories white. All right, now feast your eyes on these. Wow, look at that shine. Get your girl these for Christmas. Look at these things. No kidding around here. These are amazing looking. I feel like I'm proposing to my wheel. With this blingy cap, I thee wed. There we go, just put that on there. Wow. Okay, now my camera is kind of struggling to capture the absolute brilliance of these things. But I gotta tell you, in person, they're kind of beautiful. I mean, just compare them to the stock ones. No contest. This year, give her the gift of blinged out valve stem caps. Okay, so after trying these out, they're definitely not for me, but I was surprised by the quality, and I'm sure someone out there would love to have these. They're actually kind of nice. Okay, next up we have another great Amazon suggestion, one where the picture just got me. Now if you read the title doesn't sound so great. K-Project Billet Aluminum Cigarette Lighter Plug Delete, Universal Fitment. So by reading the title, it doesn't sound too interesting. Cigarette plug delete. Why would you want to do that? Use it to power your phone, stuff like that. Well, let me show you this little guy. All right, let me open this thing up here. All right, boom, check this thing out. So sure, it is deleting a cigarette lighter, or it's plugging it up so nothing falls in there, but it's an eject button. Who hasn't wanted an eject button in their car? It looks cool, keeps your passengers on their toes. Let's go see how this looks in the car. Okay, this is an easy one. We just take out our cigarette lighter and this just slides right in there like that. Oh, that looks great. All right, I really love this thing. It's hilarious, but I think I'm gonna go plop it into my truck. It'll be better suited in there. My truck's perfect because I have 3 chargers all close to each other, so I can put my new eject button in any 3 of these. Oh yeah, there we go. Perfect. Okay, up next was one that just got me by the product picture on Amazon as I was scrolling. I've been seeing this thing, and just the picture alone got me. So on the Amazon page, this is called Chicarve Cleaning Gel for car detailing tools, keyboard cleaner, automotive dust, air vent, interior detail removal, detailing putty, universal dust cleaner for auto, laptop, home. Here it is. It just comes in this little jar. All right, let's open up our cleaning gel. Oh. All right, first thing, you got to get it out of the jar, so here we go. Oh. Oh, okay. All right, well, it was a little more willing to come out than I thought it was going to be. Oh. Oh, that is so weird. If you have young kids like I do, they love playing with slime. That's what this reminds me of, just your run-of-the-mill kid slime. I gotta say, it does come right off though, and leave your hand pretty dry. Now my van interior gets super dusty, so this is a good place to try this out. All right, so I guess you get this slime ball and just start... Oh, well, I gotta say... Oh, it's really sucking up the dust here. A very odd way to do this, I must admit. But it is doing the job. I mean, like in this knob here. Whoa, that is so weird, but it's working. All right, here's a close-up shot of how dusty this stuff gets. And some of these areas are really hard to clean, inside these knobs, around all these buttons. So let's try our slime ball. It's actually doing the job. Look at that. Just roll it around a little bit. It's definitely a really strange way to do this. All right, let's see how it turned out. I gotta say, it looks pretty darn good. It sucked up all of that dust. Wow, that thing is spotless. Here, these buttons over here are really dusty. Let's try those. Look at that, like new. You know, when I first opened this stuff, I was totally prepared to give it 3 thumbs down. But, you know, after using it, it does what it says it's gonna do and does a pretty darn good job. So, this works. All right, back in the jar. Yeah. Okay, that's not so great. Thank you for watching, and thank you for coming along with me on this strange journey through the weird world of Amazon car accessories. If you enjoyed this video, let me know and maybe we can do it again sometime. So with that said, thanks again folks, we'll see you next time.